Hey, this is Chantel at WTI. My husband started an apparel company back in 2016 and he wanted to be able to tag his clothes with his information. So this tag gun by Gillraj has been really great. The tag gun is really easy to use and reloading it is really simple. We tag all of his clothing and hats with his business card so that customers have something with his website on it so they're able to share it with friends. We also do a fly fishing festival once a year, so it's really great that we are able to quickly tag all of his merchandise. We purchased this in 2020 after our other gun broke, and it comes with so many tags. I don't think we'll ever run out. 5,000 to be exact. It also comes with replacement needles, which I'm very impressed that we haven't had to change out yet. They're very sturdy needles and very sharp, so watch your fingers. I definitely recommend this tagging gun. It's been a great purchase. It's a really handy device, but that's just our point of view.